Hey everybody, it's Derek here from HobbyBoxBreakers.com with tonight's 2012 Bowman Platinum box break. Here is the box as shown on the preview video earlier. There's some pretty decent markings on this one. There's the Topps logo in his armpit, the one right above the N, the one right in his crotch, and there's the back of the box. Oh, you know what? I have the old Bowman Platinum box. I'm not sure if that's a serial number or not. That might be just the case it's from, but I'm going to start showing that because it is different than the last box. It's 1942CM35. I don't think I really showed that on the preview video, but I'm going to start doing that. Regular Bowman boxes are serial numbered, so maybe they're, I don't know. I don't know if that's a serial number or not. It's not real far off from the other one. The other one from last week's is 1962CM35, but it is different. Anyway, on to the important stuff. There's the empty box. And we'll refocus here when I get the first pack. Okay, we got Jared Weaver, Josh Beckett, Heath Hembry, Joe Mauer, Dustin Pedroia. Joey Votto, Dan Ugla, Sonny Gray, Adrian Beltre, David Wright. Kevin Youkilis, Devin Mesoraco, Drew Hutchison, Garrett Cole, Eric Hosmer. Carlos Santana, Clayton Kershaw, Jamison Tylon. Ooh, nice. A redemption for an autograph relic refractor of Starling Marte for the Pirates. Mark Teixeira. So that means no live relic in this box. Felix Hernandez, Jose Reyes. There's the second auto for the Reds, Daniel Corsino. Andrew McCutchen, Justin Verlander. Tyler Pastornicki, Alex Gordon, Mark Teixeira, Ian Kennedy. Nelson Cruz, Zach Wheeler, Justin Morneau, Buster Posey, Robinson Cano. Hisashi Iwakuma, Hanley Ramirez, and the third auto already. Mickey Matuk from the Tampa Bay Rays. Ryan Howard, Adam Jones. So probably nothing left, but you never know. So we will press on. Clayton Kershaw, Michael Morse, Hak Julie, Starlin Castro, CC Sabathia. Those were a little off center. I'll watch what I'm doing here through the camera. Ooh, that's really gluey. Adrian Beltre, Josh Hamilton, Archie Bradley, Michael Pineda, Prince Fielder. Curtis Granderson, Marcell Ozuna, Ichiro, Jared Parker, Troy Tulowitzki. David Ortiz, Dylan Bundy, Matt Holliday, Jeremy Hellickson, Alex Rodriguez. Mike Trout, Matt Adams, James Shields, Leonis Martin, Bryce Harper. My camera's